I'm doing a U-turn.
Actual roadway is over there, not right here.
Really?
What do you mean, really?
Are you really gonna... Okay, so if I stop back there, all I'm doing is getting in position to do a U-turn. That's it. The light's green. I have the right of way.
When I'm approaching this way, I don't see that, okay? If something happens to you and you're hit right here, you'll be considered not in the appropriate place. You're on a motorcycle. If you can bust a U-turn when that light turns green from there, that would be normal driving. If you have to be there to do it, to wait, that's not good for you. Is it a violation? Maybe. Is it worth me stopping to talk to you? Yeah. But I'm saying if you're sitting there for a U-turn, that's where
Okay. Well, let me ask you this.
Go ahead.
If he's standing right there like he's getting ready to do a U-turn, but he pulls his truck up here, past the white line, are you going to stop and give him?
Look, you're not even in.
Well, I mean, I understand where you're coming from. It's a little bit more dramatic, but all I'm doing is getting in position so that when traffic's clear, I can go. I'm not in the intersection. I mean, if the light was red and they were turning, then I would have to back up. But actually, I was going to go after you because there was cars clear.
Do you have just let me run your license. And to be quite honest with you, I didn't know what color the light was, because if you were sitting there and then you decided to go and the light was red, then you'd be running the light. To be quite honest with you, I didn't know what color the light was, because if you were sitting there and then you decided to go and the light was red, then you wouldn't be able to back up like you said.
Well, the thing of it is if there was an intersection here, cars would be pulling up and waiting right there, which is no different to me than what I'm doing. You see what I'm saying? That if there was an actual straight through for these cars to go straight, this guy wouldn't be sitting here waiting. He'd be up there in the intersection waiting until traffic cleared. So, I mean, that's no different than...
Right. On any level, no matter what, if you're on a motorcycle and no one understands what you're doing or they can see you, they can't see you. You're on a motorcycle where safety's got to come into play first, you know? When you're back here, it's kind of deceptive, like, well, is it red, is it not? Are you looking at the light? Is this guy behind you? You can't back up. You can never go by, hey, let me back up and get back where it was. Not around here. I mean, once you commit, you commit. So either you go or you don't go. Maybe either commit, if you're up here more and, you know.
Okay.
It's just about the position and where you're at. That's all.
Yes, a flashlight.
I got a flashlight, my nigga.
Oh shit! Oh shit, bro! This nigga fell.
Do you see him?
Hey, let me go give it to him.
No, I wanna give it to him.
No. Hey, let me give it to him.
I want to give it to him. Fuck you.
Hey, it was his. It was his.
She got like a blackout right
No, it wasn't his. It wasn't his.
Oh, he needs here.
It was his.
I'm just saying, don't take off running when the cops get here. What's up, man? Oh, thank you.
It was
Some
that
guy. One of these.
Okay, guys, I appreciate it.
None of them were involved.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. They're
It was
good to
this
go.
guy's. It was that guy's.
Whoa, sir.
Get on the ground.
Hold up, sir.
I told you to stay. Get your ass is down on the ground.
girl right there running. She's one of these black bottoms and pink top.
In the grass! Damn, bro, we're hoopers. Get your ass out of here.
How did you do?
Change back.
I didn't even do anything. I wasn't even in here.
Yo.
I wasn't even in.
Who is you, Georgie?
We just got here, man.
Yes.
Hey, Pop, man. What the heck? Sir, we just got here. Sir, we just came for a birthday party, please. We'll figure it out now in a minute. Please, sir. I don't care. Sit down.
Sit down.
Yo, Richard, what color was it?
It's navy blue.
I know where it is.
That's a bait. So right now you're staying. Don't make me fucking run around here with 30 pounds of goddamn gear on the sun because you want to screw around out here. Y'all keep standing there and run your mouths. You're gonna go too. Get out of here. I already told you. I don't care. Leave. You're leaving now. You're leaving now. You are leaving now. Leave. That way.
Don't touch shit.
Then get your ass going. Keep running your mouth.
Yo, Jumper, what the fuck is going on? Why is he acting so crazy?
Hey, Rick.
Yeah, stay.
On your face.
Hey, y'all film it. Y'all film it, okay? But you chill out.
I literally agreed with
This is
That's my sister.
Jesus shit. He's fucking abusing her. He put on his gun on her.
I have freedom with me.
No, I didn't. Get your butts out of here.
That's my cousin.
He pulled out his gun on her.
I don't know. And then he also hit me too. He hit me too, though. He hit me in the face. Okay? So that's abuse. You know that, right?
Get out of here or you're going too.
And I'm talking sweat. It's not going to be a combo. Yeah, like, I had to talk. Hey, don't talk.
Then stop fighting.
She's laying there. She's laying there.
Which side you ask y'all? You're going to jail if you don't knock it off. Three of us out
Go move my car. Jordan.
Laura, park your car, please.
Where's Will?
Let's go. Adrian, you good, bro? Yeah, now, bud. Adrian, hey, I'm gonna tell you one more time, get your ass out of here. Y'all get across the street. Adrian, across the street, you're going too. Adrian.
Those are my cousins. Those are my cousins. Like, they didn't do shit. Come on, bro. Hey, you feel me? Sir, we just came here.
Let me explain something to you all again.
I swear we came at the party.
I personally told you to get on the ground and stay, didn't I? And what did you do when I walked away?
I'm sorry.
So you just did what everybody else did. And what everybody else did was illegal. You did it and you got caught. They didn't. Now you're sitting here paying for it.
We just came in for one thing.
I don't have a problem. That's not my problem. I asked y'all to sit. You became a part of the mob. You could have been the guys that were doing right, and you weren't. So now you're sitting here in trouble.
We just want to go get our friends.
You're going to sit here until we get this figured out. Hey guys, your eyes.